Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about how you can add some glam in a kitchen by simply adding just pendant lights. I know that this is something that we all might have space for and just don't know where to look for one, so I wanted to mention a few spots that I have seen that have some fabulous lighting. So that is Wayfair, Lamps Plus, Lights Fantastic, anywhere like that, even Overstock, depending on the budget that you're in. But any kind of pendant lighting that you can add definitely adds glam to the kitchen. So if you're wanting to bring out gold accents like they did here in this home, you can see how fabulous these are. They have crystal ones, they have all types and different shapes, and so this is a great thing. And if you have ceilings that are taller, there's ways where you can have like one high, one low, one high, and do like different lengths. So just wanted to add that you could definitely add pendant lights to add some glam and fanciness to a kitchen. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.